Yo, what's poppin', man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Be sure to leave a like, comment, turn on post notifications so you can stay updated with the latest release. Look, check this out, man. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. I've been watching a couple more videos. They gotta do with a little, you know what I'm saying, whoa and a, you know what I'm saying, whatnot. You feel me? I don't want to get on. Anyways, look, the point that I'm trying to say is, yo, be sure to stay tuned in to this guy right here, man. I stay joshing, man. CAMARO Z1 POV drive. I ain't gonna hold y'all. The nigga be ripping, bro. The nigga be sliding through traffic. Let's see what he bout, man. Hey, be sure to like, comment, turn on post notification. Let's get into this video. Yeah. Shut they slow ass cars up. Okay. Take off then. Oh man. That boy got ass shit, boy. Yeah. You hear that motherfucker. That boy sexy, boy. That purple dangerous. That shit dangerous, boy. Yeah, that shit dangerous. Okay. Drag racer, okay. Hey. Facts. Hey. Yeah. What that motherfucker doing? Yeah, 57. Okay, 60. Hit that bit in. Slide. You ain't gonna slide. Slide in. Okay. I be feeling like I'm in that bit with him. Cut up then. Go ahead and cut up. He's sliding that motherfucker. Okay. Okay. Top speed was 110. Thinking about 110. Slide that bitch, huh? Gotta know how to handle that motherfucker, you hear me?
Speed check reported ahead on I-75 North.
Oh man. Gotta have a speed check. Gotta start messing with that 𝐬𝐶 though. Start letting that 𝐬𝐶 do your thing. He's sliding. You gotta do the dash, they come for you, man. You gotta do the dash, they come for you, man. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yo. Hop in that goddamn HOV lane, slide. Look, he's sliding up there, man. Man, Josh, go catch that, man. Man, you better go catch that, man, bro. He's sliding. Got to. right, turn up, turn up. This how you shut shit down. You know everybody was like, "What the hell is that?" That shit is screaming. You hear me?
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto 17th Street Northwest.
Yeah.
Turn left.
Oh man.
I know is that man better drive slow and safe, because I am not built for that. Go ahead, G. You ain't no damn track hawk. I shouldn't have let you go. Oh, blue car gotta wait. Sorry, blue. You gotta wait, my boy. Alright. We're gonna follow you. It's always hard when you're trying to follow people, because you don't know. See, that boy cutting over. Hey, what you doing, my dog? Why everybody cutting over? What's in the road? Oh, that big ass. Woo!
Yeah, big ass pothole.
Prom or something like that? Okay, they got some prom going on. Come on, man. Oh my God, it's raining. There we go. All right, boom, let's go. Which way you go? Okay, right there. Stop. I'm going again. Shut they slow ass cars up. Oh, okay. I know you hear that. Yeah.
I'm not gonna hold you, man. It's got ZL1, bro. It's one hell of a car, bro. That's one hell of a car, bro. That Camaro ZL1, bro, is a powerful car right there, bro. Anyways, bro, I'm definitely enjoying the POV and just the fact that, the nigga sliding on the highway.
Ooh, you think somebody was getting shot?
Oh man. They slide. Go ahead and swim.
Oh, that always hurt.
Damn, boy. They really cutting up in the city. Yo, I'm weak. That boy slide through the city downtown. Okay, let's go. That bitch sounds so nice. I guess it ain't no police where he at. This nigga making hella noise throughout this. It's like this nigga going up and back and forth downtown. Just sliding through the city. And everybody, boy.
Come on, turn green then. He
Oh,
trying to
man.
catch up. You ain't trying to do this, twin. You don't want to do that to yourself.
You gonna do the dash. This man gonna, hey, listen. He gonna eventually have to do the dash, bro. The way he drive, either he gonna pull over for the cops or he gonna have to eventually do the dash, bro. In one of these videos, Josh, I stay Josh, and you gonna have to, you gonna have to do the dash, boy, for real.
You don't want to do that to yourself? Let's see. Come on. We'll be back.
That shit sound crazy. That's wild, yo. God damn. He got that bitch tuned, boy.
All right, homeless dude. Let go, pull that shit up. Pull it up, man.
Yo, what? Let's go. He need a straightaway, bro. He need a straight green light. Just straight green lights. Yeah, he needs straight green lights. Oh, man. Yo. Yeah, get this man straight green lights. He gone. He's out of here. You're not catching him. Alright, man. That's the video, man. We at the end. With that being said, man, y'all be sure to leave a like, comment, turn on post notification. I will leave the original link for the video down in the description below. So be sure to head over to 𝐂𝐨𝐩𝐲𝐫𝐢𝐠𝐡 and subscribe to his channel. With that being said, man, shout out to y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Yeah.
Fuck your questions, I'm a boss. I used to take hella losses. Now broke niggas keep your distance. I ain't got